23 species in genus Argyranthemum. August 14th, Argyranthemum, the Marguerite daisy, represents August 14th. Argyranthemum symbolizes purity and joy. You bring simplicity and happiness to those around you. Like its cheerful blooms, your presence is refreshing and delightful. Argyranthemum, a daisy delight. I've always been drawn to the simple beauty of daisies. Their cheerful blooms bring a touch of sunshine to any garden. So when I first encountered Argyranthemum, I was instantly captivated. These plants, often called marguerites or Paris daisies, boast an abundance of charming, daisy-like flowers and a delightful array of colors. They're tough, resilient, and bring a touch of the exotic to my garden, hailing as they do from the Canary Islands. A closer look at Argyranthemum. Argyranthemum is a genus of about 23 species of flowering plants in the Asteraceae family. This puts them in the same family as sunflowers, asters, and, of course, daisies. Native to the Canary Islands and Madeira, these subshrubs are well suited to warm, sunny climates. They thrive in well-drained soil and can tolerate some drought. What truly sets Argyranthemum apart is its incredible flowering power. From late spring through to autumn, these plants put on a spectacular show, producing masses of single or double flowers in shades of white, pink, yellow, and even purple. The finely dissected, often silvery green foliage provides the perfect backdrop for these vibrant blooms. Species in Argyranthemum. While many of the Argyranthemum we see in gardens are hybrids, there are a number of distinct species, each with its own unique charm. Here are Argyranthemum adoctum. This species features daisy-like flowers and is native to the Canary Islands, thriving in rocky, coastal areas. Argyranthemum bruceniacei. Known for its delicate, fern-like leaves, this plant produces small white or pale yellow flowers. Argyranthemum calichrysum. With vibrant yellow flowers, this species is well adapted to dry and rocky regions. Argyranthemum coronopifolium. This species has deeply lobed leaves and displays small, white daisy flowers. Argyranthemum dissectum. Featuring finely dissected leaves, it produces attractive white blooms with yellow centers. Argyranthemum ascarii. Known for its distinctively textured leaves, this plant blooms with pale, delicate flowers. Argyranthemum filifolium. Its needle-like leaves and white flowers make it a unique, ornamental species. Argyranthemum funiculaceum. This species resembles fennel in leaf structure and produces clusters of daisy-like flowers. Argyranthemum frutescens. Commonly known as the Marguerite daisy, it's popular in gardens for its large, cheerful blooms. Plant FAQs. Argyranthemum frutescens. Argyranthemum gracile. This slender, graceful species blooms with small, delicate flowers that add charm to rocky landscapes. Argyranthemum haematoma. Noted for its bright yellow flowers and compact growth, it's native to the Canary Islands. Argyranthemum haworithium. Endemic to Tenerife, this species features pink to white flowers and textured foliage. Argyranthemum hyacinthus. This plant has a shrubby form and produces white or yellow flowers, well suited to windy environments. Argyranthemum lempsii. With finely divided leaves, it has striking white or pinkish flowers, native to rocky cliffs. Argyranthemum lidii. Known for its small, bushy habit and white flowers, it thrives in dry, open habitats. Argyranthemum maturans. Native to Madeira, this species showcases small, white blooms and resilient, leathery foliage. Argyranthemum pinnatifidum. Distinguished by its deeply cut leaves, this plant has yellow or white blooms. Argyranthemum sundingii. A rare species with a compact habit, bearing daisy-like flowers in a rocky environment. Argyranthemum sphentinii. It has delicate, dissected leaves and produces clusters of white, daisy-like flowers. Argyranthemum tenerife. Native to Tenerife, this species blooms with small white flowers atop wiry stems. Argyranthemum thalassophyllum. This plant has yellow-centered flowers and is adapted to coastal habitats. Argyranthemum webbii. Known for its white or pinkish daisy flowers, this species has a bushy, shrubby growth. Argyranthemum winteri. With its finely divided leaves, it blooms with white, daisy-like flowers and is rare in cultivation. Why I love Argyranthemum. For me, Argyranthemum represents the epitome of summer. Their cheerful blooms never fail to lift my spirits. I love how they attract pollinators to the garden, with bees and butterflies flitting amongst the flowers. They're also incredibly versatile. Whether planted in a border, a container, or even a hanging basket, Argyranthemum always looks fantastic. But perhaps the thing I appreciate most about Argyranthemum is its resilience. These plants are tough cookies. They can handle heat, wind, and even a bit of neglect. They're perfect for gardeners of all levels, from seasoned green thumbs to enthusiastic beginners. If you're looking for a plant that will bring months of color and joy to your garden, I wholeheartedly recommend Argyranthemum. These delightful daisies are sure to become a firm favorite.